And now we are going to see how we will create a cooking group. Notice we are on the initial screen. We go to the recipe section. We want a cooking group, okay? Notice, in this case, there isn't one, okay? We would go to the plus sign. We can include up to 10 recipes within each cooking group. Simply here, what I am going to do is put the recipe that I might need. For example, let's imagine we are in the morning part for, we are going to make breakfast, okay? And there I would put all the preparations at those breakfast times. Then I can do another cooking batch in the afternoon, okay? So I can have different cooking batches for different people. Okay, sometimes we find that in the morning a series of preparations are made, and in the afternoon this way we can customize our cooking groups for each person. Our breakfasts, what would be the dinner part? The part of the snack as well, okay? As you see, simple. What I'm going to do now is include a product within our group. Let's go to the plus sign on the right. We select, imagine, a pizza. Okay, we go back. We are going to give 3 or 4 examples. The fries, we also have a hot dog or some nuggets too. Okay, once we have all the recipes we want to make on the lists, we just have to put the name at the top. In this case, let's put breakfasts. And we simply say, we already have our first cooking group. Look. We would go back to the beginning, 275. So, and how do I bring up this breakfast section? Previously, we expanded this drop-down we have here, which appeared by time. Remember that we can cook in 30-second intervals for recipes, and notice at the bottom it shows breakfasts. We press breakfasts, and the recipes that I have placed within this cooking group will simply appear. I insist I can create different cooking groups, okay? I mean, I could have breakfasts, snacks, what we mentioned earlier. Everyone would appear here either by names, Marta in the morning, Mark in the afternoon, and personalized to start cooking.